Revolut and N26 are two of the most popular digital banking options for people who work across borders. If you are a freelancer who gets paid in different currencies, travels often, or works with international clients, choosing the right banking app can make a big difference. Both Revolut and N26 offer mobile-first banking, flexible accounts, and modern tools. But they are built with different strengths in mind. Let us break down how each one works and what kind of freelancer each one suits best. Revolut was designed with global financial movement in mind. It supports multiple currencies, lets you hold and exchange money at rates that are often lower than traditional banks, and makes it easy to send and receive payments internationally. If you work with clients in the United States, the United Kingdom, Europe, or Asia, having one account that can handle all of those payments smoothly is a big advantage. Revolut also provides virtual and physical cards, tools for budgeting and spending analytics, and professional plan options that connect with invoicing and accounting systems. For freelancers who travel or relocate often, Revolut is especially useful because it does not feel tied to one specific country. You can spend abroad and withdraw money with fewer unexpected fees. You can invoice clients in a currency they are comfortable with and convert it when you want. It is built around flexibility. Now let us talk about N26. N26 focuses more on simplicity and a clean, streamlined banking experience. It is especially friendly to freelancers based mainly in the European region. If your clients mostly pay you in euros or you work within the European market, N26 keeps everything straightforward. The interface is minimal, the fees are clear, and the account is easy to manage. You get instant transaction notifications, categorized spending insights, and the overall experience is very smooth. N26 does offer business accounts made specifically for freelancers and self-employed individuals. But it's not built for handling a large mix of different currencies. It's ideal if your work is primarily centered in the Eurozone and you want banking to be simple without learning extra currency tools or dealing with exchange calculations. Both are strong choices for freelancers. Some people even use both accounts for different purposes. For example, Revolut for dealing with international clients and currency exchanges, and N26 for everyday personal spending and clear budgeting. That way, you get the flexibility of one and the simplicity of the other. In the end, the right choice comes down to where your clients are, what currencies you work in, and how often you move across borders. If your freelance career is global, Revolut might be your main tool. If your freelance work is mostly within Europe, N26 could be the perfect fit. Both make banking easier for digital workers who do not want to be tied down by old traditional banks.